Alright, so again, welcome everyone dito sa ating webinar about starting your own travel agency business. And glad to have you, Ma'am Cecilia. Ma'am Cecilia is in the real estate industry. And ano po ito, best po ito sa inyo, especially madalas kayo mag-travel and if you want to leverage the system to kumbaga yung mga travel incentive pwede niyo itong gamitin instead na you try to find a travel agency na magbo-book sa inyo ng ticket ng visa reserve ng visa application. Why not start your own travel agency for your team? And this would be the best option, or this would be the best move for you to be able to leverage the business, because pwede mo tong i-tie up sa ano mo sa real estate or yung existing business mo na meron ka ngayon. Okay, so okay ba tayo doon? And let me just quickly go back to my presentation. Teka lang muna. Ba't nawala yung aking presentation? Teka. Share ko yung screen. Welcome everyone. Yung iba pumapasok pa lang. So but we can officially start. Ma'am Erica, welcome dito sa ating webinar. So let me begin. Again, thank you so much for joining this webinar. And what's in it for you? Ano nga ba yung makukuha nyo dito sa webinar na to? And let me just quickly give you an introduction. Why consider a travel agency business, no? Bakit mo nga ba kailangan mag-start, or what's in it for you? Lagi naman ganun dapat eh. What's in it for you? Napakapala ko dyan. So, the Philippines is a booming tourist destination, and travel is a growing industry with low startup costs. No, yun po yung mga reasons kung bakit mo kailangan mag-start ng travel agency business. Ideal for people who love travel or want a flexible business model. So, teka muna, ano na ba tayo? Recording na ba tayo? Yan, recording na. Just to make sure that we are actually recording. So, ideal for people who love to travel or want a flexible business model. No? And basically, starting your own travel agency business, unlike e-commerce or retail business, you don't need an inventory. No inventory needed. Alam mo yon, yung pag nag-start ka ng business, kailangan mo mag-stock ng marami, and then madalas na-expirean ka, or madalas hindi nagmo-move yung iyong products. So kumbaga, yung puhunan mo nakatenga doon sa products mo na hindi mo ma-out, no? Isa yun sa mga anong tawag dito, downside kung meron kang physical store or physical products. No need to manage or store inventory. Yun. So yung the best option for you to be able to have a good business model, you are selling a service, not physical products. No? Hindi ka na nabubulukan, hindi ka na expirean. Less hassle, less overhead cost. Ayan. So one of the reasons why start your own travel agency business. Next, why consider a travel agency business? Walang expiry date on services. Services don't expire. No, you can sell anytime, anywhere, kahit kung kailan mo gustuhin. No worries about unsold products going to waste. Yan, nabanggit ko kanina. And again, low startup costs. Affordable investment, start for as low as 10,888. Ang original price niya is 15,000, but for today we're giving it 10,888, and may travel agency business ka na. And then later on, I'm gonna be showing you the dashboard pag nag-start kayo ng inyong investment. Minimal operating expenses, no need for a physical store. You can work from home. No, pwede mong gawin ito kahit nasa bahay ka lang, operate online or from the comfort of your home. Yan. So that's one of the reasons bakit magandang mag-start ng travel agency business. Integrate with existing business. Nasabi ko nga kanina, if meron kang existing business, no, leverage. Sabi nga, do not put all your eggs in one basket. No, mag-leverage ka, mag-expand ka as far as you can see it. I own a digital marketing agency. I also do coaching business. And right now, I'm also leveraging or nag-expand ako, nagda-diversify into different business models. Now, as far as you can have it, kumbaga parang one at a time, kung okay ka na, establish ka na doon sa isang business, then why not expand? Kasi imaginein mo, one of these days biglang nawala si Facebook. O paano na ako, 'di ba? Paano na yung business ko? Paano na yung digital marketing services ko? Biglang, 'di ba, natatandaan nyo, a couple of months ago biglang nag-down si Facebook. So one of my services is Facebook ads advertising or Facebook advertising. What if biglang nag-down, ano nang services ang ibibigay ko? 'Di ba? Paano na yung source of income ko wala na. So ganun din dapat kayo, kumbaga meron kayong alternatives. Do not put all your eggs in one basket, kumbaga. You can easily add travel services to your current offerings. So kung meron kang again existing business, you can just diversify and add to your portfolio. Example, if you run a cafe, offer a travel deals to regular customers, 'di ba? So usually naman 'yan, pwede mong ibigay yung pamphlet or yung anong tawag dito, flyers, and then who knows, 'di ba? Baka interested sila mag-travel. Cross-promote for more income opportunities. 'Yon. So maraming opportunities, pwede mo siya, ang tawag ko dito ad hoc, no? Parang pwede mo siyang ang tawag dito sa e-commerce combination, it's a cross-sell offer, no? Cross-selling. Meron tayong tinatawag na upsell, ibig sabihin nakabumili ng small amount doon sa business mo and then you upsell. Ang tawag naman dito, having a travel agency business with your existing business, you can cross-sell. Katulad nito, 'di ba? Meron akong digital marketing agency business, I can cross-sell anong tawag dito? Yung travel agency business. So yun po yung tawag doon, cross-selling. Okay? Next, perfect for travel enthusiasts. Kung madalas ka lang din naman mag-travel, bakit hindi mo na lang simulan magtayo ng sarili mong agency, travel agency business? And in that sense, you can benefit from it. And kumbaga, instead na magpabook ka sa mga travel agency na anong tawag dito na businesses, you can do it on your own. Kumbaga, makakapag-DIY ka ng sarili mong combination. Turn your passion into profit, no? So again, kung madalas kayong mag-travel abroad, you can do it. You can start your own travel agency business. Enjoy discounted trips, no? Instead of anong tawag dito, buying your ticket sa mga service providers or travel agency providers. So discounted trips, kumbaga makukuha mo siya ng at cost yung iyong tickets. Explore new places and grow your business. Share your experiences to attract clients. So, magandang combination ito sa mga real estate agents na bigla ko lang naisip kasi parang it adds credibility to you. Kumbaga, real estate agent ka na tapos nakakapag-travel ka. So parang it adds up. Pwede mong gawing content nga ito eh. No, yung pagta-travel mo and then people will follow you, and then for some reason if they want also to travel, they can book your services, plus if they want to invest in real estate properties, then at the same time yun, pwede mong i-combine yung dalawa. Okay? Wide target market, local tourist, balikbayans, international travelers, corporate clients for business trips, and team building. So yun po yung ating mga potential market na pwede nating targetin, no? Next, digital marketing friendly. So ibig sabihin marunong na kayong mag-Facebook ads, no? Alam niyo na kung paano mag-set up ng campaigns. You probably join one of my trainings, and then you can use that same skills for you to be able to run your own travel agency business. You can promote your services online on social media like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So kumbaga ginagawa nyo na lang din yung pag-Facebook ads, bakit hindi ka mag-leverage into different business model? 'Di ba? And who knows, 'di ba? Makikita mo kung alin sa dalawa yung mas mag-grow or mas magkakaroon ng mas magandang income. Flexible and scalable. Work at your own pace. No? Start part-time and scale up when ready. So, isipin mo, very minimal yung cost, 10,888 lang for today. And start it as a part-time hobby or a part-time gig. No? And then who knows, eventually you can scale it up moving forward. Offer packages, bookings, and tours, customize your services. Ayan. Next. So just to give you a summary of the benefits of having your own travel agency business. Again, no inventory, hindi ka mabubulukan. No expiry date sa iyong services. Anytime you can use that platform na ibibigay namin sa inyo or yung dashboard na ibibigay namin sa inyo. Low startup costs. Integrate with existing business. Perfect for travel lovers. Wide target market range. Digital marketing friendly, flexible, and scalable. Kung among you here guys, yung hindi pa nakakapag join sa yung it's either face-to-face or yung digital scientist, let me know in the chat. Sino pa dito ang hindi nag-upgrade sa hindi pa naka-join sa face-to-face training ko and hindi pa nag-upgrade sa digital scientist? Let me know in the chat. Comment me yung hindi pa nag-upgrade. Ayan, si Rai Rosana. Sino pa guys? Let me know in the chat. Si Miss Karen, si Miss Prima. Okay. Yan, so may mga nagko-comments na hindi pa sila nag-upgrade sa digital scientist. So, for those of you guys na hindi pa nakakapag-upgrade sa digital scientist or never pa naka-attend ng face-to-face training ko, would you like a bonus? Would you like a, anong tawag dito? Irresistible offer na hindi nyo matatanggihan. No? Let me know kung meron dito guys na gusto ng offer ko na to. Itong bonus. No? So what if, re-reveal ko na ba, Miss Ana? So what if guys, if you joined the if you start your own travel agency which is worth 10,888, you will also get digital scientist course combined. No, may travel agency business ka na at meron ka pang access to all my courses, lifetime coaching, bi-monthly coaching calls meron tayo, and you were able to get all my courses in combination or ad hoc nung travel agency business mo. Sipin mo, may travel agency business ka na, plus you'll get a lifetime coaching with me. No? Parang kung ito ba ipapakawalan mo, ewan ko na lang talaga. Diba? Kung papakawalan mo pa tong opportunity na to, again, ulitin ko, may travel agency business ka na, plus meron ka pang lifetime coaching with me live. No? So, ito po yung bonus na ibibigay ko sa inyo only for these people na nasa webinar. No, let me know you guys if you have if you're interested in getting your own business. Now, I'm gonna be showing you you'll be of course you're gonna join us sa 5-day Facebook Ads Challenge. You will get all my courses, expert level, advanced lesson, senior specialist, beginner's guide, and you will have access to me. Anong tawag dito? You will have access bi-monthly coaching calls live, and hindi ka lang basta namin bibigyan ng parang travel agency dashboard, you will also get lifetime support sa akin live. Okay? So, ang tawag dito, I'm gonna be introducing to you guys yung anong tawag dito? Yung anong tawag dito, nawala tuloy ako. Presentation with Galamore Travel, no? One second. Let me go for the next presentation. Asan na yung aking presentation? Slideshow. Ito. Okay. One second. Now, I'm gonna be clicking this. Okay. So, introducing Galamore Travel and Tours, or Galamore Global Travel and Events. And here, itong Galamore has been in the industry for more than 12 years and has been expanding rapidly. And we are looking for people who are interested in getting or starting their own travel agency business under their name. So, here is Galamore as a brief context, located in Santa Rosa, Laguna, and rapidly expanding, and we would want people who are interested to start their own business. So again, airline ticketing, cruise travel, meron ding tour packages, team building, travel insurance, local and international services, as well as corporate travel arrangement. Okay? Then, ito yung mga, anong tawag dito, promotion banners na pwede nyong gamitin. And then, yun nga, tuturuan ko kayo paano gumawa ng sarili nyong banners para magkaroon kayo ng leverage on using your dashboard. Here is Miss Anna, the founder and CEO of Galamore Travel and Tours. And later on, maririnig niyo siya mamaya if you have questions about the packages, ano yung makukuha nyo, ano yung mga benefits of having a travel agency business, airline booking and hotel booking, and tour packages. So yon, you can get access to all of these airlines as well para ma-promote ninyo yung inyong business. So, yan. And then, so parang yung bibigay namin sa inyong dashboard, para kayong magkakaroon ng trip.com, booking.com, Agoda, Expedia, Skyscanner, all of these travel agency website, magkakaroon kayo ng sarili nyong online booking dashboard. No, ipapakita ko sa inyo dito kung ano itsura. Ayan, so these are some of the ticketing features and benefits. Air ticketing, real-time online booking, GDS platform, controllable income, markup modification. Ibig sabihin, you can put your own markup, no? Kung magkano yung gusto mong markup doon sa business mo, no? I-explain niya ni Miss Anna mamaya. And some of the details here, printable e-ticket, itinerary, email sending, etc. All right. So this is gonna be your dashboard. Ito yung magiging itsura ng dashboard po ninyo. And then you can customize everything all in one services platform, no? And yan, one of the screenshot ng dashboard ninyo. You can have everything here. You can see everything inside your dashboard. So ayan. And you can see different airlines na ino-offer kung magkano yung ticket, no? So dito, asan na yung isa? Yan. Asan na yung logo natin? Ito. So meron ka din ng history report nung ating mga transactions, no? You don't need a parang since you're just starting out, everything is auto-calculated or auto-computed, no? Yung pumasok na benta, yung mga deductions, etc. Para kang merong sariling accountant inside your dashboard kasi kita mo lahat ng transaction, yung lumabas, yung pumasok. Meron kang history report ng iyong dashboard. Ganito po yung itsura niyan. Next is magkakaroon din po kayo ng ayan, pwede nyo i-print. Magkakaroon kayo ng sarili nyong logo, pwede nyo i-upload yung sarili nyong logo, and then when you generated the ticket, yung logo po ninyo ang makikita, hindi na po yung kay Galamore Travel. So as if you own, kumbaga sarili mo talagang dashboard na may papakita doon sa client. So ayan, so ganun po itsura. And sa hotel bookings, ganito rin po yung magiging itsura ng dashboard po ninyo. Ayan. So again, one-time payment lang ito, lifetime subscription na. Ang original price nito is 15,000, but for today only, we're giving it away for 10,888, no, business package. Again, one-time payment, meron ka ng sarili mong travel agency business, meron ka ng air ticketing, hotel booking, tour packages, passport assistance, visa assistance, travel insurance, travel Wi-Fi, SIM card, online technical training, and customer service support. Ayan. So bakit nga ba? Again, it's a good way, it's a good decision to start your own travel agency business. Philippines records 1.2 million international tourists in first 2 months of 2024. So imagine niyo if you can get a anong tawag dito? A chunk of the pie, no, or if you can get a percentage of the pie, then you can be able to tawag dito, have a good profit out of those numbers, no? Okay, hindi pa naglo-load. Ayan. So domestic trips 2021, ito yung COVID time, yung parang halos kabubukas lang yata nito nung travel industry. Traveled within the country out of 77.12 million population. Meron tayong record na 15.18 million noong 2021. And then noong 2022, na-doble siya, 30 million na siya, 30.89 million. And for about 23 and 2024, imaginein mo na lang kung madoble or matriple to. So wala pa kaming data, but imaginein mo kung ganong kalaki yung market ng travel, no? And distribution of Filipino domestic travelers by age group, majority nito nasa 25 to 35 years old. Okay? Top 3 main purpose of trips, pleasure and vacation. Yun po yung pinaka number 1 sa list. And mapapansin nyo din dito, top 5 countries visited: Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, Switzerland, and Taiwan. Imagine mo if you can go to that countries having your own ticket book sa iyo mismong dashboard. Ayan. Okay, I think that's the last slide. Okay. And I'll hand you over to Miss Anna. If you have any questions, guys, you can ask questions. Pwede ko kayong i-unmute. You can ask questions by unmuting yourself. Ayan. So, yun. Let's have a question and answer portion. Let me okay, Miss Eden, naka-unmute na po yata kayo. Sige, go ahead. You can ask question po.
Wait.
Sige po. I-switch ko lang itong aking speaker. Okay. Sige, check. Sige po, go ahead, Miss Eden. Go ahead po.
Sa bahay lang po, pwede lang po iba yun sa bahay po, sir. No need na mag-rent ng space.
For as long as na may internet ka, no? Tama ba, Miss Anna? Correct me if I'm wrong.
Hello, everyone. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. So I'm Anna. Actually, friend ko si Sir Clarence. So kaya siya yung napili kong partner for this business.
Partnership. Yeah.
Oh yeah. So actually, yes po, ang ino-offer talaga namin for now is for you to have an online travel agency business. So if it's online, it's okay na sa ano lang, sa
Bahay.
lang muna. Oo. Actually, I started sa house din way back 2012. Pero yun po, siguro nagstay ako doon ng mga 3 months sa bahay. Then after that, since lumalaki na yung business and madami ng client, nagkaroon na din ako ng corporate client na gustong mag-visit sa office sa kung nasaan ako. Since okay yung service. So, yun, nag-decide ako na mag-rent na din ng ano after 3 months. So, kasi after 3 months na nakuha ko na din yung return of investment ko and I have enough money na din to rent out. Ngayon po sa ano na po kami sa Vista Mall Santa Rosa na kami located.
Okay po, thank you po.
Thank you.
Yan. You guys can unmute, no? I believe may mga questions dito sa chat, but I think it is best if you can unmute yourself para at least anong tawag dito? Recorded naman to para at least yung mga questions nung halimbawa mga susunod na makakapanood nito and then they can have good context, no? Sige po, Miss sino ba nag-unmute? Ma'am Cecilia, go ahead. Apo, go ahead.
Paano po kumita at paano magkaroon ng sariling portal? Kasi para magamit ko na siya.
Opo. Sorry
Yun.
po, sariling
Portal.
po. Ayun po, kanina po na-discuss ni Sir Clarence about the dashboard and the package, which is actually ang package is 15,000, but for now naka-promo kami which is 10,888 lang, and may bonus pa with Sir Clarence courses. Now, if you avail or if you pay for the package, we will give you the portal, which is the dashboard. Parang i-activate lang siya para you can have an access on it and you can customize the portal, or you can put your logo and also your markups on for the ticketing and
Okay. So paano po mag-markup? Pwede ba may halimbawa travel to Manila to Hong Kong. So paano ako yung pinakamura para kuhanin?
Okay.
Or ganun?
Yeah, yung portal, if naka-enroll na kayo or naka-avail na kayo ng package, we will have a technical training kung paano mag-search sa portal. Actually, yung sa flight namin, nakaano siya from the lowest to highest. So, makikita mo lahat ng flight, lahat ng airline na available na may flight on that day or sa preferred travel date nyo. So, makikita nyo dun yung lowest price. So, yun yung pwede nyong i-avail. So,
Okay.
pwede din kayo makapaglagay dun ng markup para if ever, if hindi mo siya gagamitin for personal use lang, if ibibenta mo, yun na yung makikita niya na price, which is included na yung markup mo.
Okay, copy. So, pag nag-avail ako ng 10,888, yun na, pwede na ako mag-book.
Yes, we will give you an access na. Isi-set up na natin yung portal mo. May
Okay.
process din siya sa pag-set up, and after that, meron ding training.
Okay. Thank you.
Sige po. Next, parang merong question si Miss Love Ann. You can unmute yourself, Miss Love Ann. Go ahead.
Oh my God. Oy, I'm on mute already. So, is there any hidden charges in regards after the payment?
So far po, kung ano yung nakalagay sa package namin, same with our with our company, which is the Galamore. Yung mga packages namin, it's all
All in. All in.
all in. Yeah, and we don't believe with hidden charges. If ever naman, like sa packages namin, may nakalagay doon na kung magkano yung amount, nakalagay kung ano lang ang inclusions and kung ano yung excluded or exclusions. So, wala tayong hidden charges even with this package. So kung ano yung naka-include na nilagay ni Sir Clarence, kasama yon pati yung kanyang sinasabing bonus na courses niya.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Paano to? So if maibebenta ko siya sa like example sa friends or family ko, ako yung magbo-book po, di ba?
yes, ikaw,
So,
yes, ikaw magbo-book, hindi kami. Kasi may
Yes.
portal ka na.
okay.
Mm.
Miss ko na mag-travel.
Yeah.
Tagal ko na
Ayan.
naka-travel, na-stuck na kasi
Pagkakataon nyo
yung
na to,
package.
Miss Love Ann, na mag-travel ng tawag dito,
Ah.
kumbaga cost efficient travel. Kasi kumbaga sarili mong booking, sarili mong markup, yung sarili mo, ma-markupan mo kung gusto mo.
So, how,
But,
okay, sorry. How long ang promotion na po, na ito po?
Actually, this is for today only.
Okay.
Sa mga nakasali lang dito. Kaya kasi kung tutuusin po, yung inclusion ng ng package na ino-offer namin today is talagang napakataas. I started way back 2012, ang laki ng capital ko for para magkaroon ng travel agency business. But ngayon kasi, since I'm already in 12 years in the industry, so parang it's my way na din to give back or para makahelp na din sa ibang mga gusto. I know madaming gusto magkaroon ng travel agency. Kaya lang yung iba, ang iba na scam lang, or ang iba mahal yung yung namamahal ng
nung nag-start kami sa nung way back 12 years ago, magkano yung shinell out mo na na
Actually, aside from the rent and everything, meron kaming, ang pinaka-startup mo is 500. Lowest yon.
500K.
Yeah.
Wow. Tapos ngayon for 10,888, makakapag-umpisa sila?
Yeah, because I invested malaking amount actually for this portal para ma-share ko siya for a lower price sa mga tao.
Grabe. So, 10,888, parang no-brainer talaga yung offer, plus may combination pa ng anong tawag dito? FB ads at coaching. So, yun. Sino pa may questions?
Kasama Sir Clarence, Ma'am Ana, kasama na din po yung mga hotel, kung naka-package na yon.
Okay.
So,
Di ba natin parang nadaanan din natin
Apo, nadaanan kanina. Kasama po yung hotel
Okay.
and
So sa inclusions natin, meron tayong ticketing, hotel bookings, tapos meron tayong tour packages. Yung hotel booking and ticketing, nasa portal siya. Yung mga hotel packages, yung tour packages, visa, travel insurance, nasa portal din siya. Pero upon request, kumbaga may mga procedure na gagawin para maano. Unlike yung sa kasi sa ticketing in the hotel, as in pindot-pindot ka lang, makaka-generate ka na ng voucher. So for
Okay.
may process siya.
Kunwari po magpapatour ako sa Japan. So sa atin na din yung visa application.
Yes.
Thank
Lahat
you.
na po pwede natin mai-offer. Pati yung travel insurance, yung travel wifi, pati SIM card, meron din tayo.
Okay.
nagamit ko yung
Thank
SIM
you.
card ni Miss Ana nung nag-Thailand, nag-Malaysia ako.
Diba?
So, yun. Very convenient,
Reliable.
guys.
Okay, Sir Clarence, na lang po ako. So, plan ko na talaga so,
Sige po.
mag-avail ako sa inyo ng So,
Sige po. Message nyo lang ako sa Telegram, no? Mayroon naman kayong access sa Telegram sa akin.
Sige.
Okay.
Usap tayo by Monday. Okay?
Sige po, sige
Ito,
po.
Clarence, pwede po ba yan, kasi sabi yung promo ngayon, pwede ba Monday? Kasi wala akong transfer bank
Monday, tomorrow. Sige.
Pero siguro need nilang today mag-sign up, no? Ng parang Mm.
Sige,
Mag-send
sige.
ako ng anong tawag dito, ng form for those na interested, and then we can give you up until Monday kasi Sunday ngayon. So at least meron kayong time para mag-decide.
Actually, gusto ko na pong mag-book by next week ng tour package ko sa mga top seller. So,
Nice.
kailangan ko na talaga siya.
Sama
So,
niyo naman ako diyan, ma'am.
sige. So, lagi po ako nagpapatour kaya
Hmm.
kailangan ko po talaga siya. So, at
Sige.
least kung naka-package na yan, mas okay at ikaw yung
Yes.
mag-handle. Sige, maraming salamat.
Sige, Ma'am Cecilia. Salamat po. Thank you for joining our webinar. Sino pa? Next question, guys. You can unmute, guys. No, although you have questions here sa chat, let me know if nahirapan kayong or may technical issues kayo mag-unmute. I believe binigyan ko na kayo ng nasaan na yan? Unmute. Ayan. Sige, go ahead. Sino pang next question? Miss Laban, may nag-unmute yata kayo?
Ano, pwede, hirap magtagalog.
Sige
Ano
po, go ahead. You can English naman. You can, kung ayaw Tagalog,
Kahit
How
English.
about like for international, okay naman, okay siya for international then booking, right?
Yes po.
Yes, yes.
Or for,
Local
so,
and international.
local and international. Okay. So, far from, yun lang.
Sige
May,
po, go ahead. Sino pa mag-unmute? Huwag kayong mahihiya na walang bayad yung pagtanong ninyo. Walang bayad yan. Go ahead.
may ano ako question. Do we need
Yes.
do we need to apply for ano yung mga yung sa anong tawag dito sa government thing?
Miss Ana?
Yes. Actually po, if we have a business, even ano nga po, 'di ba? Sabi sari-sari store, kailangan talaga merong mga permits. Pero for actually since naka-online tayo, pwede naman tayong pwede na tayo mag-start kahit wala pa, like for booking lang naman with for a friend or for personal bookings, okay lang 'yon. But I suggest kasi darating kasi ang time na sa mga referrals, kumbaga word of mouth, halimbawa yung friend mo na book mo, tapos ire-refer ka with others na strangers na, for sure ang strangers, just like what happened to me, dati nasa bahay lang ako, then may nag-refer sa akin ng corporate or isang company. So kailangan ko na talagang magkaroon ng kumbaga
Business permits.
business permit and mag-rent para 'di ba, syempre professional na yung yung peg mo, parang ganon. So syempre you're dealing with professionals, so dapat kasi ihingan ka din niya ng receipts or pero pag mga friends or para sa inyo muna, okay lang yon na wala muna.
Yeah, for a long run. So kailangan especially if like groups
Yeah,
and
kung seryoso ka sa business, kailangan talaga.
Ayan.
Okay. Thank you.
Sige. May question yata si Sir Aaron Paul. Go ahead po, Sir Aaron. You can unmute yourself. Sir Aaron? Ask to unmute. Nandiyan ka ba?
Opo.
Ayan, go ahead. Sige po.
Ang concern ko po, syempre, totally wala po kaming rito. Ano po yung way namin or para syempre magkaroon ng advantage dun sa tinatawag na na ibang platform na talagang yung established na like Agoda, yung Trip.com, yung Booking.com, yun po.
Okay, good question po yan, Sir Aaron. Actually, we have Agoda, we have Cebu Pacific website, we have Google Flights. Yung mga website po na yon intended for business to customer. What we are offering is business to business. So, kumbaga, yung mga Agoda and the likes are for personal use lang. Wherein this one, you can use this for personal and also for business. Kasi you can customize the portal wherein you can put on your own logo. Pag lumabas yung ticket, logo nyo na yung makikita, not our logo. Okay? So, kung ano yung gusto mong pangalan sa like travel goals, ganon. Yun yung lalabas sa ticket, makikita yon. Also, you can customize the price. I mean, no, you can customize the markup kasi may price talaga yung 'di ba, yung what do you call that, yung airline ganon. So, makakapaglagay ka ng markup kung magkano yung gusto mo and yun yung lalabas sa ticket. Yun yung price na lalabas. Unlike pag halimbawa nagbook ka sa Cebu Pacific, yung ni Cebu Pacific, yung price ni Cebu Pacific yung lalabas o yung price ni Agoda yung lalabas. So, unlike dito, yung yung price ng hotel plus kasama na yung nilagay mo na markup. So, this is mainly for business talaga. Yun po.
Yun.
Okay po
Hopefully
ba?
yun nasagot yung tanong ni Sir Aaron. Otherwise, kung mayroon kang follow-up question, would be...
Yung follow-up question po. Naman
Sige
siyang
po.
FB ads din po, no, ma'am?
Ano po?
Facebook advertising din. Pwede siya. Na,
Yes.
Yes. So, pwede nyo siyang, ano na rin, di ba? May background na rin kayo on how to run Facebook ads. So, yun, kasama yun po sa, ano po natin, sa package only for today.
Opo. Saka, ang concern ko po, yung last na, sa FB ads pa rin. Dahil yun yung ano ko talaga. As in yung lahat po ng courses ni Coach yung ano.
Yes, kasama. Take all my courses.
Ano po yun? Limited
po,
ano lang? Limited or lifetime din po?
Lifetime na rin yan. Lifetime coaching na rin yan.
If ever po, paano po yun makakapag-antaw dito? Makakapag-avail?
Magbibigay po ako ng form. Lahat po nung nag-join today. Nasa ano ko naman, no? Nasa Telegram naman kayo, guys, no?
Ako po yung sa 499 lang po.
Okay. Pero naka-join ka sa Telegram GC ko.
Dun po sa 499 po.
Okay, yes. So, makaka-receive kayo ng email today after this, anong tawag dito? This webinar. And for those of you na gustong mag-avail, just fill out the form and then isi-send ko yun kay Miss Ana para ma-text kayo or ma-email kayo ni Miss Ana para i-facilitate kayo ni Miss Ana doon sa inyong anong tawag dito, subscription.
Ayun nga
Okay.
po. Ayun, last na po. Ito yung talagang naglalaro sa isip ko kasi nga, syempre first timer po. Mag-guide naman po kami talaga kung paano siya gagawin ng ano kasi tulad nga yan, wala talagang background sa travel business. So, hindi
Yes.
namin alam kung paano siya i-market, yung navigation talaga.
May IT team naman, Miss Ana, no? Tama ba?
Yeah, actually, after availing the package, we will schedule a technical training, how to use the portal, how to put on markups, ganon, and how to do the sales. But sa marketing, lalo sa marketing, nandiyan naman si Sir Clarence, 'di ba? Siya yung talaga dyan expert. So for sure, you're in good hands with Metro.
Parang ano yan, parang bangko yan.
Ayun, so
Parang taglay ng
you're
bangko
in good
yan.
hands. Saka Sir Aaron, sa 12 years namin, with regards naman sa namin sa company, sa 12 years namin in the industry, never kami nagkaroon ng major complaint, yung mga ganon. Lahat ng most of our clients are satisfied. Kaya tumagal kami kahit nung pandemic, hindi kami natinag ganon. So ngayon po, ang po kasi namin is we're just sharing our expertise lang. Same with Sir Clarence. So kumbaga it's time to give back. We want to help din na magkaroon ng magandang business din yung yung ibang tao. Especially yung mga naniniwala sa amin like ngayon, umattend kayo ng webinar. Actually itong offer namin is for this day lang, which is it's actually December 8, it's Mama Mary's Day. So, yun. Kaya, yan. Ngayon po talaga namin, eto magandang chance din po to para sa inyo.
Ma'am, may follow-up pa po. Last na.
Sige
Talagang
po,
talaga.
go ahead. Oh, wala namang bayad yung follow-up.
Ito naman po.
Ah,
Kasi meron po kami, anong tawag dito? Van po. Pinaparentahan siya. Ano yun? Meron po bang ano siya, yung para makakuha kami ng parang
Certificate or accreditation.
para kahit saan dalhin yung van, hindi siya yung mako-question or wala.
With regards to that po, possible naman po yun, pero depende po yun sa van nyo. May mga model kasi na inaalaw. Tapos, may application process din with Department of
Tourism.
Tourism.
Okay.
So, yun po.
Bale, medyo iba po talaga siya. No?
Yeah, actually, ang ino-offer po namin is the portal, but we can help you with that pag na po tayo, pag partners na tayo.
Okay. Meron naman po kasi akong inaano din kasi talaga yun with regards dun sa ban po. Pero since sa portal lang naman po, wala naman din pong problema. Sige po.
Okay po.
next, meron pa? Questions? Samantalay nyo na guys. We can accommodate all your questions today.
Sir, ako pwede.
Sige po, Sir Jason, go ahead.
Ma'am, kunyari may nagpabook sa US for tourist. So, paano yung flow po nun? Tsaka paano yung, kunyari, mag-apply
From
sila for...
US going to the Philippines, tama? Or,
Hindi, from Philippines to US.
yeah. Ano po ulit yung question nyo? Paano yung process?
Paano yung process nun na magkakaroon ng income? Magkakaroon ng income yung, yung...
Alright. So, yun po, as we've mentioned a while ago, pwede tayong maglagay ng markup. Dun sa portal, halimbawa, Manila to LA, to Los Angeles, ang price niya is 50,000. Ngayon, sa sa portal natin, pwede tayo maglagay ng halimbawa 2,000 per way. Kasi per way po yung pag markup natin. So pwede tayo maglagay ng 2,000. Sa back end kasi yan inaayos. Tapos ang lalabas na sa ticket niya, sa binook mo para sa friend mo, 52,000 na. So yung 2,000 sa'yo na yon. Kumbaga, naglalagay kasi din tayo ng fund. Halimbawa, may ibubook ka, maglalagay tayo ng fund, parang ganon. So, ang mababawas lang sa fund mo is 50. So, yung 2,000 is sa'yo na.
So, halimbawa pala, Miss Ana, kung back and forth yung ticket niya, back and forth ticket, so, bali, mag-markup ka din yung pabalik. So, halimbawa, may 2,000 na markup ka din. Hindi na. So, 1 lang.
Hindi na. Ang kasi natin, ang pag-markup natin is per way. So, kung naka-per way siya sa international na 2,000, mag-automatic na yon na round trip. Halimbawa, round trip, 104 na, imbes na 100 lang. So, may 4,000 ka. Ganun.
Yung visa fee, ma'am, paano yun? Pag, siya? Tourist visa?
Pwede ka din po mag-markup.
Sino po nagpo-process nun, ma'am?
Kami. Yes.
Nasa magkano po kaya yung ganun, ma'am?
Ang visa, iba-iba po yung rates ng visa. Halimbawa, sa Japan, may Japan kami, nasa lang siya, 1.8 instead na 2.5, ganon.
Okay, sige po.
US visa din kami, nag-help din kami ng visa processing for US.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Questions?
Coach,
Yes po, Sir Aaron.
Kahit kanina namin siya i-offer, no? Kasi kung halimbawa sa
Yes.
mga kakilala,
Yes.
Yes
kasi
po, kahit kanino.
hindi pa naman
Yung po ang maganda sa business na to kasi kahit mga nandito sa Pilipinas or nasa ibang bansa, pwede niyong makater.
Kaso paano po yung ano nun, yung pricing pagdating na kasi halimbawa may mga classmate ako before na nasa ibang bansa, paano pag gusto nilang umuwi, yung pricing po ng ticket kasi like may mga friend ako sa Saudi, may friend din ako sa Australia. Ayan po.
Same lang po yung magiging process with regards to adding markups. So either pabalik sila dito or paalis, same lang yung magiging process. Ang kaibahan lang is kung magkano yung magiging ticket. Ano.
Okay po. Thank you po.
May question si Miss Erica, inclusive na daw ng ba ng tax yung pricing natin
Yes
pagka
po.
binigyan? Okay. Miss Erica, inclusive
Sa
of taxes
airline
na.
po,
Mm.
actually lahat pala. Inclusive na ng tax.
Mm. For the first timers, wala po idea how to run the business. Meron naman pong trainings. Yes, kasama nga po yung sa doon sa back-end training nung dashboard or nung portal ni Miss Ana. Si Miss Ana po magna-navigate po sa inyo. Siya po yung guide po nyo sa inyo step by step guide. Pagdating naman po sa Facebook ads, pag ipopromote nyo na yung inyong services, travel agency business, then ako naman po yung makakasama ninyo pagka magra-run ng Facebook ads. Okay ba yon? And may tanong yata si Miss Jennifer, paano po yung paano po nag-avail na ng digital scientist? So, yung bali itong promo po na to, Miss Jennifer, is for those na hindi pa nag-upgrade. So, it's an opportunity for them to anong tawag dito, to upgrade sa digital scientist, or either way kung kunin niya kung kunin mo yung travel agency package, automatically you will be enrolled sa digital scientist course. Yon, mag-a-avail na daw si Sir Aaron. Magsisend po ako ng email and then you can just fill it out para po anong tawag dito, yun po yung isisend ko kay Miss Ana. If you haven't received the email, just message me sa page o kaya doon sa GC natin, or you can message me directly sa Telegram para po anong tawag dito, ma-process po natin yung payment po ninyo. Okay?
Question.
So, yes, Miss Laban.
So if makagawa na tayo ng ads for like Hong Kong for only 7,000, how long we can hold the price for that certain plane ticket?
Miss Ana?
Good question. Actually, for ticket only, na binubook natin sa portal, kahit sa ibang what do you call that? Ibang platform. Normally naka-book and buy karamihan ng mga meaning book and buy, hindi siya naho-hold yung price. Kung magkano ngayon yung rate, possible next or mamaya iba na yung price niya. Kasi ang portal natin ay ginagamit internationally. Kahit sino, lahat ng tao pwede gumamit sa kasi ang mga airline may isang lang yan eh. May isang system. Lahat gumagamit ng system. Ngayon, with regards to package, we have group packages na naka-hold ang ticket wherein parang pinopurchase namin siya what do you call that? In advance. So, yun yung mga tinatawag na mga group bookings. Halimbawa, we have packages here ng Hong Kong na nasa mga 15,000. Tapos nakalagay may 40 slots na available. Yan, hanggang hindi maubos yung 40 slots, yan, as is yung rate niyan.
So, ang booking po niyan is in your end, hindi sa amin? Or
Yes, with if yung mga advance purchase na tickets na mga group bookings.
group booking? So, sa company mismo?
Yeah, opo.
Okay.
Actually, pwede din po kayo mag-request. Halimbawa, gusto nyo ng group booking, mag-purchase kayo, mag-ano kayo ng group booking, pwede nyo din sa amin i-inform. Lahat naman po ng concerns nyo with regards to booking sa amin, matutulungan naman po namin kayo.
Ano daw yung meaning ng GDS, Miss Ana?
GDS is Global Distribution System. Yun yung sinasabi ko na system ng airline na parang lahat tayo nagko-connect sa kanila. Para, kumbaga, yun yung ginagamit nilang system for monitoring, for selling ng mga seats, ng mga ticket ng airlines.
Yun. Next, Miss, naka-unmute si Miss Eden. Miss Eden, may tanong?
Okay lang, sir. Gusto ko sana, kaya lang schedule na yung ano ko, yung ako ng ticket po ba. Sayang naman. Sayang.
Doon lang
Sayang,
sa
sir.
mga na naka-join talaga ang mabibigyan.
Pero pwede pa naman kahit walang promo, sir.
Hanggang bukas, bigyan ko kayo ng
Basta sorry.
bigyan ko kayo hanggang till
Basta
tomorrow.
mag-fill out siguro ng form, no?
Yung mga nag-fill out ng form, i-save po namin yung data po ninyo and then i-contactin po kayo ni Miss Ana.
Sayang,
Sabi
kasi
ni Sir
maraming...
Aaron, sulit daw yung pag-iipon na tapat yung opportunity.
Tama.
Coach,
Yes po, go ahead.
kaso po, paano yun? Hindi ako nakapag-sign up dun sa email na na form.
Okay
Nakita
lang po yun.
nakita
Magsisend
ko
po ako
lang
ng bago.
Sa nyo, yung sa FB, na nandun yung Zoom link, nag-join ako. Kasi nga nakita ko na may notif na 10:30. Ayun, saka lang ako naka-join. Paano okay lang?
Basta
Follow-up question lang po, sir.
go ahead.
Kasi may promo pero if ever hindi ako ng promo makaabil kasi talagang sayang, sir, kasi yung mga kamag-anak ko galing sa labas, mayroon kasing wedding ng sa cousin ko this coming January 10. So sayang ba, pero kung pwede pa ba nga kahit wala ng promo, basta lang, I'm just interested.
Basta naka-sign up po kayo dun sa form na ipapadala ko mamaya.
Okay.
Kasama po kayo dun sa natin, dun sa listahan. No,
Okay
kasi
po.
yung namin, yung anong tawag dito, yung promotions namin ngayon is for those na nag-join ngayon sa sa webinar. Kasi syempre hindi naman nila makukuha to kung hindi sila nag-join sa webinar, and then kung sino yung makaka-receive po nung email namin, sila po yung makaka-fill out ng form.
Okay. Salamat po, sir.
Ayan. Welcome. So, sino pang may questions? Wala na. Coach,
may question si Miss Erica.
Miss Erica, go ahead.
Eto, nakita ko sa chat. Curious lang po, ano po pala yung GDS?
Parang
Galileo. Makaka-access din po ba sa GDS? Sagutin ko lang para lang malinaw kay Miss Erica, since meron siyang experience daw with GDS. Okay. So, eto si Galamore portal na pwede niyong ma-access ay actually para siyang ang back-end niya is si Sabre Apollo Galileo Amadeus. So kung ano yung cheapest na offer ni Sabre Apollo Galileo Amadeus na rate, siya yung kinukuha ng namin, ng system namin na Galamore. So kumbaga nakakonect siya doon sa mga sa mga GDS na ganon. So, kaya maganda yung ano kasi parang mas pinadali yung system namin compared doon sa mga GDS. Ayan.
Ma'am, additional
Po ba,
po.
Miss Erica?
Si Sir Aaron, go ahead.
Ito po. Since may access po kami sa dashboard, if ever po ba may website ba kami sarili o wala po? Kasi I've been tawag dito, nag-aaral din po kasi ako ng Google Ads. Baka kasi pwedeng din isabay Google Ads tapos Meta, parang ganun. Kung pwede, kung possible lang naman po, kung hindi okay lang.
Ang gusto niyo pong sabihin, sir, parang i-combine mo yung portal dun sa website?
Hindi po, parang magraran ng ads through Google search engine.
Sige nga, Sir Clarence, sagot na lang.
Okay.
Sa
Sir Aaron, ganito, no? Ang pinoprovide po ni Miss Ana is yung portal to generate tickets. So, ibig sabihin, nandoon yung ticketing agency mo sa portal. Now, in terms of website, dahil nga po included na kayo sa digital scientist course, you can learn how to create your website doon na mismo sa course. 'Di ba? You can create your own landing page kasi ako rin naman gumawa kay Miss Ana ng website niya. And then ako rin nung gumagawa ng landing page niya. So from there on, matututo na kayong gumawa ng landing page ninyo. Dahil nga in combination, in ad hoc doon sa offer ni Miss Ana, namin sa inyo ni Miss Ana, you can create your own website or landing page. Yun.
Opo.
So,
Na pwede rin i-Google Ads, no, Coach?
Yes, pwede yung i-Google Ads. Kasi pag nakabili na kayo ng domain plus nakabili na kayo ng hosting, then pwede mo nang i-run yung Google Ads mo.
Opo. Yun din kasi inisip ko. Kaso nga kasi sabi, yung sa dashboard.
Dashboard lang po, yung ating dashboard kay Miss Ana, and then I'll be teaching you guys how to create your own website and your own landing page.
Naliligo ka na? No?
Sige, Miss
Hindi ka pa
Eden.
maliligo?
Miss Eden?
Yes, sir.
Nag-unmute po kayo?
Wait, naka-unmute ba ako? Wait.
Yes
tingnan
po,
ko nga.
you have questions, I mean?
Yes. May page po ako, sir. So, pwede ko po yan doon, sali kasi nasa real estate ako.
I would prefer, Miss Eden, mag-separate page po yun dapat.
Okay.
Iba yung page mo sa travel, iba rin yung page mo sa real estate. Unless otherwise, may personal branding ka. Halimbawa, like Eden life goals with Eden, something like that. Then pwede yon. Pero kung yung page mo is parang, I don't know, ABC Real Estate, tapos merong travel doon, medyo hindi siya connect. Pero kung personal branding mo, pwede.
Yeah, personal nga, sir.
Ayun, pwede yon. Pwede mo siyang
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Si Prima yata may question din. Go ahead and unmute yourself. Yes, meron pong recording after Miss Prima.
Pahingi po, sir. Kaya I haven't started, sir. Late kasi ako.
Sa ano ba ipa-publish ko po sa page?
Okay po. Thank you po.
You're welcome. Sino pa may questions? Goodbye na daw si Sir Aaron. Sige po, magsisend kami ng email and anong tawag dito? Yung lahat po na nasa listahan, we can accommodate for the promo, no? So, yun. Questions? Wala na? Miss Karen, Sir Fred, Sir Alejandro, Miss Rai, Miss Erica, yan. Wala na? Going for 5? Going for 4? going for 3,
December 8.
going for 2, going for 1, and 0. So, going in po ako. Yon, mga pagpapigin, you will receive an email po today. And yeah, thank you so much for joining our webinar. And sa mga na-miss yung promo today, ganun talaga ang buhay. If the opportunity knocks once, you have to grab it because there will be no additional kumbaga, if the opportunity knock once, i-grab mo na agad. Okay, so maraming salamat for joining our training for today. A webinar for today. And for the details how to pay, si Miss Ana po mag-facilitate. You will receive an email. And if fill out nyo lang yung form, plus nandun yung contact number ninyo and anong tawag dito, email. And then Miss Ana will give you details on how to go for the payment. Okay? Thank you so much, guys, for joining the webinar. And yeah, message me just a page or sa Telegram if you want to avail the promo. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.